How many times did you say to yourself, if I would have done it that way, it would have ended up that way? The big question is, would it? Another big question is, do you really think that your decisions change your path? It all boils down to the big question is, do we have free will, or is everything predestined? Shalom, my name is Alon Anava, and I want to invite you to a fascinating lecture, Sunday, February 8th, in Denver, Colorado, where I'm going to be discussing in depth the concept of free will based on the teachings of Kabbalah and the insight of the Holy Book of Zohar. I guarantee to you, this insight will make you look at the topic in a completely different way. In a way that you'll understand what it means, free will, and if we actually have free will, and how to arrive on the waves of Hashem's will. A lecture you don't want to miss, Sunday, February 8th, Denver, Colorado. I hope to see you there.